Good morning. Welcome to Latest Trip to Life Story again. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. It's time check is 6 o'clock, 6:50 in the morning, guys, here in Malaysia, and I wake up now and just wake up, just switch on the light because 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, I'm going to start my work and just warm up for a while. Yes, salamat pala sa nanood at sa nag-subscribe. Pag nagustuhan niyo yung video ko, paki-like at saka paki-comment sa baba. Salamat guys. And today's vlogs is about paano ako nung high school, nung nag-aral ako guys, when I'm go in elementary school, in my young age guys. Yes, it's a part 5 in my true to life stories. Yes. Guys, nung nag-aral ako guys, when I go in I remember in my grade 4, I think I have already my mind and I can remember things. So when I grade 4 guys, sometimes in the morning we're going in the mountain guys, in a garden, and we were just take the grass very early guys because my school start in 7 o'clock, so we go in the garden in the mountain almost 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock. We're there 1 o'clock. We stay in the garden and we clean the garden guys. We take out the grasses and then cultivate the soil guys, because my mama said you must do. Then after that guys, very funny because I am ignorant. We are ignorant before because we are living in the mountain. So guys, the helicopter very funny. The helicopter is coming. Guys, we are very scared. Me and my sister very scared guys, very scared because the helicopter is so low. I don't know what they are searching because we are in the mountain. I don't know if they're searching bad people, so we're very panic guys. I cannot forget guys because in that moment guys, me and my little sister, also my next sister, I'm the fourth one, then the third sister and me going in there, and then we're riding guys because very near. I thought the helicopter take take me and my sister because very low, the propeller, you can hear very low, and then you can see the people in the helicopter guys. Really, so it's so scary guys. Because we are ignorant before. We are ignorant. We didn't know that the helicopter didn't take people or something, or they are just searching something in the forest. Guys, very I cannot forget. Then guys, when we finish the clean the garden and then we go home already, guys, I am almost fall down guys. I am almost fall down because maybe the the tense, and then when my sister tell me I'm very pale already, then my head like giddy guys, like giddy, and I said my stomach, guys, ever since my stomach, I have problem with my stomach, like if I'm tense, if I'm angry, like that, my stomach really shaking. So I said I want very I want to rest. I cannot breathe, and then I'm very pale, and then I'm sweating like that. So what I'm doing, what my sister said, you just turn your to your belly, guys. My father, my late father, told us that if you have a stomach pain, you must turn your belly, guys. Turn your belly until it smoothly, slowly turn your belly until the air come out, because the air coming inside, that's why the air, the bad air coming inside, so that's why the stomach shaking. Yeah, that's why guys. Yeah, that's my experience, guys. When I'm 7 years old or 6 years old, that's the time that we go in the mountain and go in the garden. That's very, I cannot forget that I'm almost fall down because of the helicopter. Yes, guys, so very. It's funny, but now it's funny, but in that moment, it's not funny. It's scary. Yeah, now only because a long time ago that happened. It was almost um 40 years ago. But I cannot forget because I put here because it's very scary. Yeah, that's why I cannot forget. So that's all, guys, my turtle life story. I hope you like it. My learning is, if you have a stomach ache or shaking or you're sweating, you cannot breathe, you just turn your belly, guys. You just turn and turn like this, guys. One time you turn like this, and third time you turn like this. Yeah, you turn and turn and turn, and then you can relieve. You can breathe nicely, and then the air come out. You can fart. Yeah, and you can bark. Thank you. Have a nice day. I hope you like my vlogs today, and God bless, and see you next vlog. Thank you. Bye bye.